Hello students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn in this class The Sailor, poem written by Ravindranath Tagore. He is an Indian poet and short story writer, novelist, songwriter, playwright, and musician and artist. He also played an important role in India's struggle for independence. Dear children, Ravindranath Tagore was the first non-European to get Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is the greatest prize and he got it. Ravindranath Tagore has written many books, many songs as you have seen here. He was a poet, short story writer, novelist, songwriter, playwright, musician and artist. His most famous book is Gitanjali, and also he was the member of the Shantiniketan University in Bangladesh. He also wrote national anthem for two countries, for Bangladesh and India. India is Janagana Mana is written by him, and Bangladesh national anthem is Amar Sonar Bangla. So he has written this, and also his writing, his composition influenced the Sri Lanka's national anthem too. Children, he was not born as great as he was. He worked hard. And these lessons are given to you to learn, to see how people can become great. By their deeds, by their actions, by their thoughts. Thoughts is not only thinking here. Thinking in the paper. Whatever he thought, that he wrote it. He explained to people through his pen. And that's what he became very famous. 1913, he got his first Nobel Prize. It was the greatest prize to know that non-Europeans getting some Nobel Prize. He was the first one non-European to get the prize, and that also from India. Europe, we can understand many people are there, great people, educations were there. India education is started late, but still the people of India are clever. They can win, they can do if they want. That's why it is given to your lesson that you learn how people struggle to do something for others and for the country. Here, he has been fighting for the freedom, struggle for the freedom. He was also one of them with Subhash Chandra Bose, Gangadhar Tilak, Bal Gangadhar, Gokhale. So these all the people were there, and with him he too was there. If you hear about the freedom, you will find how people struggled. You know that time there was no light. It is British who started the railway and light electricities everywhere not given. And the people were struggling. How they were burning the some tires, some things, and that light they have returned. Night they used to daytime sit in one of the rooms like hiding place, and they used to write and sent it next day, next night when it happens to reach to the different people. Many of the great people also were put in the jail, prison, so that they should not influence the other people. This was the work of the Britishers. And that time our Rabindranath Tagore was also there for the freedom fighter. Tagore was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. His best works are of his collection of poems titled Gitanjali and the Noble Gora and Ghare Bare. Gora and the Ghare Bare means the home and the world. So his poems are, his songs are, his writings are all meant with the Indian society, for the people how they are. From the British, he also found the Vishwa Bharati University in Shantiniketan. Britishers were there. We know that East India Company, they had put it in the Calcutta, West Bengal. But in that, such a way he managed that he started Vishwa Bharati University in Shantiniketan. Shantiniketan still is there. You all get chance, you can visit once, it's nice. It is in the West Bengal. This Gitanjali is his writings, which is very famous. That has got lots of influence the people's mind and heart. Mind and heart. Such a way he has written that touches to the people, depth of their heart, the core of their heart. And people get zeal to do something as they hear the thoughts of Rabindranath Tagore in the form of Gitanjali. So dear children, learn properly, learn little but learn well, clearly. Okay? If you have any doubt, any kinds of problem, please talk to me on my phone. My phone number is 8809632399. So please contact on this. But before 6 in the evening, okay? Thank you.